Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. For those who are familiar with Harbor Freight, we've had the gold ratchet craze, we had the icon pocket knife craze, and now we have these US General mini cabinet crazes. Yes, I bought one this morning at my local Harbor Freight, which is the only one for 100 miles. For our routine, we put the coolers in the car. We go grocery shopping. We go Menards. We go to Harbor Freights. It's our routine. It's a 90-mile round trip for us. I wasn't even sure if they had these because when I look on the website, it said unavailable. That's probably on purpose because they knew how much they would sell these. So I went in there, and right when I walked in the door, they had all three colors there. So I grabbed blue, went down the aisle because I had other stuff to buy, and a guy rolled by me in the cart and he had two in there. I thought, I can buy two? So I went back to the sign that said limit two, and I bought a red one as well. I'm hearing a lot of crazy stories about these mini cabinets. I've heard of one guy recently, this is fresh today, that went in and bought 8. Each one of his member in the family came and used his phone number and bought 2 of them. I don't know how I feel about that, but anyway, some stores ran out before they even have these to sell. So we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna go through it. I'm surprised actually how heavy these things are. They're actually built pretty well, just like their cabinets. All right, guys, stay tuned. Well, hopefully, you guys, if you guys are looking for these, that you had a chance to buy one. They're $9.99. They're really good buy. And its members right now can get advantage of it. All right. Not much in the box. Just the cabinet. Packaged pretty well. And this is it. Oh, it even got some little felt pads in there. So top flips up. Got your US General logo. And there's protective bottoms for them. Seems pretty heavy duty. I mean, it seems like it's built just like their cabinets. And then right there, even has a serial number for them. Doors do come out. I don't know if they detach though, I'm not sure. Not sure what I'm going to use it for yet, these, but I will find a purpose. My wife, I'm going to give the other one to. She can do it with it what she wants. I don't know, throwing stuff in there. So that is it, guys. Pretty simple review. Really not much to these. So if you're looking for one, hopefully we can find one. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.